Hi, it's me again. Good morning or good day, whatever time it is where you are. It's a beautiful morning here today, and I'm going to show you one of the most important things you are to do in the morning before starting or driving your car to work or wherever. So, the first thing I do in the morning is I clean it and let it look fresh for the day. And after the cleaning, you want to make sure your car is in good condition to drive on the road. So, first thing I do, I open up the hood from here. I check if my brake oil is up to gauge, the water reservoir, if there is no leakage, and if there is any, I top it up. Also, most importantly, the engine oil. I make sure it's up to the recommended gauge. These are just the basic things you must check in your car every morning just to make sure that you don't get stranded on your way to an important location during the day or night. Meanwhile, your tires should remain inflated, so always check from time to time that they are not deflated. So guys, what else do you think should be checked in the car before getting it on the road? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section and mention the things you check in your car that I didn't mention. Peace.